Ooh, a diamond in the rough. Ew. Wow, a great find. Ugh, sticky. Whoa! Mine! No way! Enough! Stop it! Hi-ya! Huh? Hey up! Here. This is all I have. That'll do. Now off you go. Whoa! What kind of sorcery is this? Loving my new look. I'll take this side. I'll take this side. It's a deal. The house looks so boring like this. Yeah. You know what this means? It's dollhouse makeover time! My side will be getting the fairy tale treatment. Only the best shades of lipstick for my royal palace. Now they're liquid lipsticks. I'll give them a good mix for an even color. Smells amazing, unlike real paints. Mood, cotton candy dreams. Ugh, boring. I'm allergic to pink. Whoa! Things got messy. Hey, look at that. Turns out I just created a new wall painting method. Glue will help me set everything in place. The next step? Gotta do it before the glue fully sets. Who said goths can't glow? More sparkle, more power. Achoo! Phew. The dark arts didn't warn me about this. Pink base done. But my masterpiece is still in progress. Time to add a little love to the walls. I'm painting with passion, literally. Wait. Yep. Seal to the kiss. Mwah. Mwah. I mean, lots of them. So cute. Lame. I'll show you how it's done. You get kisses, I get constellations. I'm going cosmic. Let there be night. This is tiring. Let me see. Nope. Pass. Depressing. I'm designing my windows to the underworld. Simple and timeless. Huh? Oops. What did I do? Oh no. Ugh, you ruined everything! How do I fix this? At least you already have a window now. How arrogant of her. Luckily, I'm a DIY queen who's good at patching things up. There! A heart-shaped window. This is therapy. Gloomy and gorgeous. All I need is a view. Nope. Not this one. Aha! I have a better idea. Put my old rock chic socks to good use. Just gonna bedazzle them with rhinestones. Looks even better than I imagined. My windows are there to keep the light away. I hate darkness. Now comes the best part. Let's make this house feel like home. And voila! Fit for a fairy tale. And I went for haunted house vibes. And that's a wrap on decorating. This calls for a snack break. A mini feast for the eyes. My brats will enjoy the yummy treats. She's throwing a housewarming party. You're invited. Count us in. Barbie wouldn't miss this. She'll take the stairs to join you. Stop! Those are for the queen only. Huh. Then I guess Barbie's building her own. What? Nothing. I'm just reading. The book is upside down, you know. Ugh. I can't deal with her mocking right now. I have important crafting to do. I will design the most glamorous staircase ever, so my Barbie can make her grand entrance. Best part? It's so easy to make. Pink for Barbie core, duh! Who needs a red carpet when you've got this shine? Hey, jealous? don't need your staircase anymore. Wow, that looks great. Congrats. Nah, you're not fooling me. Color me unimpressed. Huh, do I look like I care? Well, maybe a little. At least enough to give me a new idea. Black lace is for those with taste. So, much better. Huh, I'm not falling for that. Okay, good work, team. Now can we get the party started or what? Barbie's fashionably on time. Girl time! Huh? How did it get so messy in here? Hey, don't throw your trash to my side. Ugh, it's not mine! Liar! No, you're the liar! Stop! Fine. Ugh, not even rock stars would approve this mess of a hair. It's okay. I can fix it in no time. Oh, I'm feeling inspired. Come on, make a guess for what I'm making. That's right, a fence. This one will scream, "Do not enter" in style. No trespassing unless you're a ghost. Let's see yours. Wow, your fence is edgy with a capital E. But mine? It'll be a work of art. I'll draw something no one can break into. This is not going as I thought. Oh, how come Mom always likes what I paint? Wait, scratch that. I've got a way better idea. I'm not making a fence. I'm building a rainbow barrier. No villains pass this pastel gate. Yay! Ugh, all these colors make me sick. Aw, flowers bloom in my garden. Hey, truce? Achoo! Huh? Ew! Ugh, I should start carrying a napkin with me at all times. Oh no! You ruined my work! Again! Come on now, it wasn't on purpose. And looks like my roof was destroyed by my slime storm as well. But I see it as an opportunity to make my house look even more fierce. I call it Horn Sweet Horn. This ain't Barbie Dreamhouse, it's Maleficent Manor. The Addams family would approve of my design choices. But what do I do? Her side looks so much better now. Don't be dramatic. I know you got this. Here, I won't say it out loud, but… I'm sorry. Aw, thanks, I appreciate that. So soft, so squishy. Huh? Hey! Consider this as me accepting your apology. Phew, roof work is hard work. But the result? So worth it. I think our house is complete. We did it. And we totally slayed it. So, roommates? Absolutely. Look! We're back! It wasn't a dream! Wow! Thanks for the free work. Now I can sell it for $1 million! Thinking what I'm thinking? Yep! No! It's her turn now. Let's get out of here. With our new half-doll houses. I'm gonna get those too! Ah!